What if the watch on your wrist could not only tell time, but also optimize your workouts, track your stress, boost productivity, and even help you survive the wilderness? In 2025, smartwatches are no longer just techie accessories. They're your personal fitness coach, health guardian, and travel companion rolled into one sleek device. Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best smartwatches of 2025. All the links to buy these watches are in the description below. Check them out and find the perfect one for you. We've carefully selected the most powerful, reliable, and stylish models available today. Let's kick it off with a new Garmin release that's turning heads for all the right reasons.
Number 5. Garmin Venu X1. The Garmin Venu X1 represents a major evolution in Garmin's smartwatch line, designed for those who want performance, style, and advanced health tracking in one compact package. With a sleek AMOLED display that's incredibly vibrant even under sunlight, the Venu X1 is one of the most visually stunning wearables Garmin has ever produced. But this watch isn't just about looks. It's loaded with premium fitness features, including all-day heart rate monitoring, VO2 max estimation, sleep tracking with insights, and even advanced stress analysis. Garmin's body battery feature has also been refined for more accurate energy tracking, helping you manage your daily activities and recovery more effectively. The Venu X1 strikes a perfect balance between smartwatch functionality and fitness focus. You get seamless smartphone notifications, music playback, and onboard apps, all while maintaining exceptional battery life, something many other brands still struggle to master. And while it doesn't go overboard on rugged outdoor tools like the Fenix series, it's still built with durability in mind, with water resistance and tough materials that can handle daily wear and tear. For those who want a stylish, everyday smartwatch without compromising on Garmin's trusted health and fitness tracking, the Venu X1 is a top-tier pick. It's ideal for fitness enthusiasts who value smart features without the bulk of a hardcore sports watch. Lightweight, feature-rich, and gorgeously designed, it's everything a modern smartwatch should be in 2025. Number 4. Garmin FX8 Solar. If the Garmin VU X1 is your everyday smart fitness companion, the Garmin FX8 Solar is the ultimate beast built for extreme environments and outdoor adventurers. It's engineered for people who push their limits in mountain terrain, across trails, and deep into the backcountry. And now, with improved solar charging, the FX8 Solar redefines battery endurance in a smartwatch. The highlight feature is clearly the solar tech. With even better efficiency than before, the watch can now sustain itself for weeks under the right light conditions. That's a game changer for anyone off-grid. But what makes this watch truly elite is how much it packs in without sacrificing durability. From multi-band GPS and topo maps to elevation and barometric tracking, it's ready for every adventure you throw at it. Fitness-wise, the FX8 Solar covers all the essentials and more. It supports over 100 activity modes, including trail running, triathlons, mountain biking, and skiing. It's like strapping an outdoor lab to your wrist. Despite all these features, it still manages to feel premium. The display is larger and sharper, making it easier to read in bright conditions, and the build quality is near military grade. While it's bulkier than a casual smartwatch, that ruggedness is exactly what some users want. Number 3. Garmin Forerunner 965. For runners, cyclists, and endurance athletes, the Garmin Forerunner 965 is practically a dream come true. It combines high-end performance metrics with a super slim profile, making it one of the lightest and most feature-rich sport watches of 2025. Unlike the rugged, outdoorsy Fenix series, the Forerunner 965 focuses purely on sport, training, and recovery. It does so with serious depth. The most noticeable upgrade is the bright AMOLED display, finally giving users a high-resolution, colorful interface while retaining Garmin's efficient battery life. With up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and up to 31 hours in GPS mode, it blows away many competitors in endurance. But what really defines the Forerunner 965 is how well it helps athletes understand their performance. It offers real-time stamina tracking, training readiness scores, load ratios, and even suggestions for daily workouts based on your recovery. It's like having a coach that's always analyzing your performance in the background. You also get all the usual essentials: music storage, notifications, safety features, and Garmin Pay. But unlike bulkier models, the 965 is incredibly comfortable to wear 24/7, which helps with continuous tracking like sleep, stress, HRV, and oxygen saturation. This watch is for serious athletes who want depth, accuracy, and coaching feedback without carrying unnecessary weight. It's not trying to be a lifestyle watch. It's a sports lab on your wrist.
Number 2. The OnePlus Watch 3 may not have the decades-long sports legacy of Garmin or Apple, but in 2025, it's carving out serious space in the premium smartwatch segment. Sleek, fast, and feature-packed, it combines the best of OnePlus's clean design language with surprising fitness and health capabilities, all at a highly competitive price point. This model steps up with a larger, brighter AMOLED screen and improved integration with Android devices.
It delivers buttery smooth performance thanks to OnePlus's custom OS optimizations and supports an array of features you'd expect from much more expensive wearables. You get continuous heart rate tracking, blood oxygen monitoring, sleep analysis, and a ton of sports modes that are suitable for most users, whether you're hitting the gym, tracking yoga, or doing HIIT sessions. Where the OnePlus Watch 3 really shines is in its user experience. Everything feels intuitive, the transitions are quick, the app ecosystem is improving, and the battery life is easily one of the best in its category, often lasting multiple days with heavy use. It might not have elite-level GPS precision like Garmin or the ecosystem power of Apple, but for 90% of users, the Watch 3 hits all the right marks. Notifications, music control, health insights, voice assistant support, it's all here. Plus, its design is subtle and stylish, making it a great pick for both fitness and formal wear. Number 1, Apple Watch Ultra 2. Rounding out our list is a smartwatch that blends cutting-edge tech with luxury and rugged performance, Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's the most advanced and capable Apple Watch yet, and it's clearly aimed at serious athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone who wants the ultimate wearable experience within the Apple ecosystem. The Ultra 2 is not your everyday Apple Watch. It's built tougher, with a titanium casing and sapphire crystal display, and it offers a brighter screen that's visible even under intense sunlight. But beyond looks, it's the performance enhancements that stand out. With a new processor, faster interactions, and upgraded sensors, the Ultra 2 provides incredibly accurate tracking across multiple disciplines, from open water swims to high-altitude hikes. Battery life is also much improved, offering up to 36 hours on a single charge and even more in low-power mode. It's now a serious tool for professionals in extreme conditions, not just a gadget. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 isn't for everyone. It's large, premium-priced, and best suited for users who want the most powerful Apple Watch experience, especially athletes and tech lovers. So there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best smartwatches of 2025. Whether you're training for a marathon, hiking through the wild, or just looking to stay on top of your daily health, there's a smartwatch here that fits your lifestyle perfectly. From the rugged Fenix 8 Solar to the sleek OnePlus Watch 3, this year's lineup proves one thing: wearables have never been smarter. Now it's your turn. Which one would you pick? So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. See you in the next one.